USA Pyrolysis Unit, EKKO-2 launch. Industrial scale deployment, commissioned on site. Loading and startup are designed for daily operation. Automatic primary thermal oxidizer regulation, controlled secondary thermal oxidizer, optimized air supply.
The carbonation system ensures 100% neutralization of harmful substances under the influence of high temperatures.
Clear operator interface, temperature-driven, control a reduced human factor. Efficient gas, secondary thermal oxidizer, cleaner emissions profile, process protection and stability. Consistent product quality, reliable production result. GreenPower Limited X, EKKO-2 launched in the USA.